Hello, welcome once again to our channel. I sincerely want to appreciate you for constantly coming to watch our videos on this channel. Today, I was in my office and a client came in requesting for solar street lights. I remembered immediately that I have a solar light that I've used over 5 years, and because of that, I recommended it for him and was so glad when I told him the future. So I would like you to pay attention to this review, and in this review you will learn how solar street light works. You learn why we give it 2 years warranty. You learn why we use it and where we use it for. So it is important you follow us on this channel and follow as you are watching this video. Keep on watching, share, like, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Rexsam, the Solar Doctor. I will always be here to give you everything you need to know about solar energy. Okay, today I was actually in my office and a client came demanding what is the best solar street light to use. Then I was trying to find out what he actually needs. He told me that he needed a floodlight, and this floodlight is what everyone uses. And you know, we have so many of them in the market. We have all-in-one solar street light, then we have the floodlight, and this floodlight has separate panel. So today I want to review what is the best if you are going for floodlight. So today we have in our office an SMS, this is what we call square lights. As you can see the system, it is actually a separate panel and it is very powerful. Before I will unveil it, I would like to give you the details or the functions of this and what makes it superior compared to what is in the market. This is 200 watts solar street lights. 200 watt solar street light. So in this solar street light, you can see as the design is SMS, which is Soulmate Solar. That is the full meaning of SMS. Then we have the warranty for it, which is 2 years warranty. In this 2 years warranty, it means when it is not working the way we explain, you have the right to return it and we give you another one or balance you your money. So this particular solar light is made of lithium battery and the LED light. So right now I'll be unveiling this, but before I do that, I will show you the features that makes it outstanding compared to other solar street lights. We have the ranges from 150 watts, 200 watts, 400 watts, and above. But this particular one is 200 watts, and the illumination is 1200. So when you have this, it has the ability to serve 10 to 12 hours daily, non-stop. So when it is charged, it will automatically turns on and serve consistently for 10 to 12 hours before it can go off. It has the ability to come on in the night and off when the day breaks. So it is constantly on and it has remote control. So I'll be showing you how to use them. Like I said, it has separate panel. The panel is 25 watts by 2. So each panel is 25 watts and there are two inside. When combined, you are having 50 watts solar panel of it to charge the lithium batteries that it came with. So as you can see the specification, you have the lights, the brand type, and the warranty is 2 years. So this is how. So like I said, this is the SMX floodlights. This light has the ability to power your street. When I mean the street, it's not the high tension street, that is to say the length of the pole that this should be able to use is 18 feet. So if it goes above that, it will definitely not flush to the floor or to the ground as the case may be. This solar light is the best solar light you can ever see in the market. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, it is available and you can source it. Even through our social media handle, you can get order of any of them. These have been proven to be the lasting solar floodlights. As in the place of other ones in the market, others are fine, but this is the best you can get. And whenever you want to run an installations that have to do with floodlights, it is important you know that this has the ability to serve for a long time. The durability is high because it has double panel. It has an extension cable also, that is to say you can equally keep it in the house while you extend your panel elsewhere. You can keep the floodlight in the house while the panel is outside permanently because it has an extension cable that helps us to connect it to a far distance. This panel is rated 25 watts each, and when two of them are connected in parallel, as you can see, we generate the higher current, and in the same manner they have equally provided the means of the connections through the cord or the probe that it came with. This particular system is a top notch that anyone or every installer would like to use, and most of us, the solar engineers, recommend it specifically to clients where it is needed and where they need constant lights and they need illumination to be high. So this is very effective. Like I said, each panel is 25 watts, and when two of them is combined, we are having 50 watts, which makes the battery, the lithium battery, to charge faster and lasts longer too. So the operational hour for this solar light is 10 to 12 hours. That is to say, it has the ability to on in the night the moment it senses darkness and stay on permanently till 12 hours, which the day might have broken by then. And on that note, it has a long lasting period. I will be turning on this system. After the connection, you can see the probe as I am holding it. Once it is connected, the next thing you need to see is to see how it comes on immediately. So turning on this has to be by the proper connections. Observe it thoroughly like I did before you fix it. The moment you get it connected properly, you see the red indicator lights that will be blinking. As you can see, it is connected now, and you will see the red indicator that I said it is now on. And once it is on like this, it will help you to know that the panel is connected. After that, you have to use your remote, because I told you that the features of remote control. You have to use your remote. Then by using your remote, you are meant to insert battery to your remote. By inserting the battery, it always comes with the battery and the remote anyways. Or perhaps you don't have the battery, you can get the battery somewhere and insert the remote. Then using the remote, you see where it is labeled on and off. You also see where the label H5, H8 and lots more. So but this indication in the remote helps you to put on the right control, which is when you turn it for on, you press on and the light will turn on automatically. So when you press the off, it will go off. Then we have some other settings which I will be detailing in my next video. So if this is your first time of watching our video, or probably you just came along this video, what you need to do is to subscribe to our channel, ensure you get connected in this community.